Good morning, guys. I woke up to some children making noise. Check it out. Brian left some pant for me. That's so nice of him. He also sent me a video of how he was sleeping in here, in this spot. And he sent me a video from the perspective of him being in his hammock right here. Oh, I think he might have dropped this. I'll bring that with me. But yeah, he sent me a video from this perspective, and you could see a squirrel running around on this branch up here. That's amazing. I'll show it. But yeah, just woke up because of some kids. I was almost sure it was Jason, but nah, they're still sleeping. I might go back to. Seeming really appealing. Alright, so Kiki just wrote me a message asking like, hey, the loud friend is gonna cook brunch, you know, bacon and eggs and all that stuff. You should come over. He's probably gonna start cooking in like 20 minutes or so. And I'm like, yeah, it's probably as long as it's gonna take me. So I'm packing down. Luckily, I didn't actually empty my backpack all the way because now I have all my cooking stuff down here in this end. So I only had to open the top a little bit to get my dirty clothes out to use as a pillow and my sleeping bag as well. So yeah, I should be able to pack down pretty quickly. I'm just gonna smoke this one, find a YouTube video I can listen to while I bicycle. Let's go. Eggs and bacon for breakfast. I can get down with that. I'm gonna listen to the video "To Be or Not to Be Homeless" by Solomon Chow. That dude's he's definitely a unique individual. I like his videos. Okay, let's get this shit packed down. I'm in a hurry. I want to eat. And this is where I'm at, by the way. It's not even that late right now. Yeah, it's only 11:12. I'm getting closer to being packed down. Yeah, by the way, yesterday, Brian, he was just laying here on his sleeping mat looking up, and I was laying down there. It was pretty nice. We saw a few fragments enter the atmosphere and burn up, but we went to bed before the real meteor shower started. Yeah, it was getting a little too late. I'm almost packed down now. Okay, we're ready to go. Let's just do this. It's been a while since you've seen me do this. I do it every day. Normally I'll put my hair up first, but if I just do this, it's not gonna break. Alright, and then I have to loosen these straps, and there we go. I love this hip belt. It makes life a bunch easier. Oh yeah, I got the pant here, the bottles to return to get money. I love Denmark, man. Okay, let's go. I'm ready. I'm gonna listen to some hip hop on the way. I think some Nas, yeah. I've been way into him this year. Let's go. I'm at the Loud Friend, eating some breakfast, drinking some multi-juice. Bacon and egg on rundstykker. Mike had to bring his son to the emergency room, so I'm just chilling here. Did the dishes, cleaned up a bit, cleaned the bathroom up. It's a mess here. This guy does not clean up after himself. I think I was the last person to do the dishes here, just to give you an idea. It's just for me. I can't cook in a kitchen that's disgusting. I can't eat anything that was prepared in a kitchen that's disgusting. So I just kind of had to clean it up in order for me to make my own food. I've been spending all day here. First, I spent 6 hours alone just cleaning up and researching. And then the rest of the day, we just spent hanging out, watching the same cartoon 4 times in a row because Jason wanted to. And now it's 12:30 at midnight, and Mike just brought home some slop. Let's go. It's been a very productive day for me. I want to make sure I get everything right for this electronic system. Let's dig in. I used to hate the pickle in cheeseburgers when I was a kid. No, I don't think I could be without it. After like 30 hours of research, probably more. I finally figured out exactly the parts I need to get next month. It's a little more expensive than I first set out for it to be, but it's gonna get... It's gonna be perfect. It's gonna be so safe. You guys don't even understand. I've just been on a voice call with Stony and Dion. Well, mostly Stony for the past few hours. I ended up spending, what is that? It's 3:33, so basically 15 and a half hours in that apartment in a row. I knew I shouldn't have gone over there. I knew it would have ended up like this. So tomorrow I'm just not gonna go over there. Mike has some business to take care of too. I'm gonna go get into the forest and set up my tent. I'm going back to the shelters. Yes, I know, the original shelters. I've been there so much. But the issue is Mikey kind of ruined our budget. He gave me some money to keep track of the budget, but then he went ahead and spent most of it before the end of the month. And so now we're kind of shit out of luck, doing the same thing we did last month, which is just, living on other people's goodwill. And we got some friends here in Nyborg, so food and taking showers and stuff like that is pretty easy here. It's just a shame that it has to come to this every month. Like I can definitely not handle another month ending up like this, but I won't have to. Dion's showing up next month, and that real journey is gonna start. Right, it's 5 minutes to 4 right now. I am at the campsite. You can't see it. But yeah, I got my bicycle lighting up my tent. I put everything in there except for the bicycle battery, and I'm gonna lock the bike, put it next to it, and yeah, just head in and chill out with Stony. Let's go.